Hey everyone, so I'll make a quick video to show you how you can do screencasts on your iPad with the built-in features. So first you're going to need to turn it on so it's on in the control center. So if you hit settings, and over here on the left hand side it says control center, and you're going to choose customize controls. Now mine's already turned on, this third one that says screen recording. So yours will probably have that same icon just under more controls, and you'll just hit that plus sign. So once you've done that, then if you swipe down from the upper right hand side of your iPad, like if you were going to use the Apple TV or something, you'll now see this recording button, and you hold down on it, and normally it would say start recording if you're going to start a recording. You'll notice it will say below that microphone on or off, and you touch that to change it, whether you want your voice to be recorded or not. And then really it'll give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and the nice thing is it will, as you can kind of see from this video, show what's ever on your iPad screen. So I like using Notability, and the nice thing is if you have something you want to write over, you can import a PDF and then write over it and talk through problems. This would also be an option for students to maybe show their work while they're remote. And then the nice thing is when you're done, it's going to save to your photos on your iPad. So you'll see this was one that I made for students last weekend, and you can hit this kind of square with an arrow button, and there's lots of different ways you can share it. If you have the Classroom app downloaded, you'll see kind of this fourth one to the right. You can upload it directly to Google Classroom. The other thing you can do is, if you have the YouTube app, have that, and then upload things. And then when you're done, you hit